Okay, we're live. Oh, we are live, ladies and gentlemen. Let me go over to my YouTube studio. How was y'all's weekend? $90% off on Apex. Yeah, 90% off. Should be. That's the current promotion that they're running. If you use code DAE at checkout, DAE, yeah, you can get 90% off. I'm about to be trading some Apex accounts right now. Let me let my viewers know that I'm live. What's going on, Syed? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Oof. I'm letting my Instagram know that we're live right now. And now we can get into the nitty gritty. All right, let's do this. How was my weekend? My weekend was pretty good. Can't complain much. Guys, let's do some analysis, right? Three questions you got to ask yourself is, what are we currently doing? NASDAQ looks extremely bullish to me. First of all, let me check if we have some type of news today. We do not. NASDAQ looks extremely bullish to me. On the 1 hour, we've inversed this gap. On the 4 hour, we've also inversed this 4 hour gap, or we're about to. With a massive sweep to continue going higher, where could we target? It's clear as day, we're going for these highs. Boom. So now, upon knowing this, this does look like some trendline liquidity. I'm not planning on shorting London session high. How was my weekend? My weekend was pretty good, guys. It was. What about y'all? Oh, man. Did y'all do anything on Father's Day? So for NASDAQ today, let me focus a little bit. I'm not planning on shorting this because I want higher prices. What the fuck? At Dae Trades Clips? Who is this? Who is that? Oh, this is probably Leonard, ain't it? Should be. Let's go. Okay, guys. What am I looking at for gold now in the 1 hour? Gold is clearly bearish. It's obvious. This is the liquidity sweep. We've already tapped into the 0.618. So if I'm being honest, I think gold shorts after we take out this high. That high is connected to London session high. So what I'm thinking here is accumulation, manipulation, distribution on gold. Let's see if we get it. So that high is aligned with Asia session high and London session high. So I can delete this line. We want to see this area get touched. Is there some type of FEG in there? Maybe on the 4 hour? Nah, I don't see anything. But it's so obvious gold is bearish. Sweep. Where's our target? Relative equal lows here. It's very obvious. Gold is at daily FEG. Let's check. Yep, gold is at a daily FEG after sweeping some type of liquidity, even on the daily as well. I'm bearish on gold. I'm bearish on gold. I'm bearish on gold. But before I'm bearish on gold, I needed to put in some type of high first, like sweep. I don't want it to just start dumping. I want it to do something like this first. Oops. That's the only way. Oh, man, I am tired. Holy moly, man. Ugh. How much am I up on the month? Well, I stopped trading my live account to come over and trade some Apex accounts with y'all. So I didn't make nearly as much this month as I usually do. I've taken like a week and a half off of my live account trading these props. So until I get a payout, will I get a payout this month on prop firm? It's June 22nd. I might. I have the rest of this week, nah, because I still need 5 winning days, nah. So I'm up around like 12,000 this month, nothing crazy. But once, because I'm doing this whole series with y'all, once I start using prop firms, well, I've already started, but once I start milking these prop firms, showing y'all how to pass it, getting payouts, doing all of that on live stream, then what's it called? I'll show you. No, I haven't passed this prop firm, this Apex yet. I'm like $700 away. I don't know if y'all can see. My balance is at 52,319. I'm about $700 away to pass it. One trade a day. I just showed y'all all of last week. We're either going to pass this Apex account either today or tomorrow. And then after that, we'll work on getting the payout. And I just want to show y'all. I just want to show y'all how to like do it. Whew. So NQ has taken out these London highs. But I think NQ can go a hell of a lot higher. How much do I risk on evals? I risk about $500 per trade. I see an SMT. I don't think NASDAQ or ES is bearish though. Shouldn't I be risking 150? Why would I risk $150 on an eval? I don't get the intraday accounts. I get the freaking end of day drawdown accounts. Silver. Oh, silver has equal highs above. We need that taken. We're at 27 viewers. Not bad. Good shit, AG Trades. Oh, man. Guys, I'm not planning on shorting NQ. I do want to short gold, though. Kobe! What's going on, brother? I always like seeing familiar faces or familiar names since I can't really see all spaces. But what's going on, Kobe? It's so obvious NASDAQ is bullish. I just need NASDAQ to give me some type of entry. Wish you luck. None much. Just use your code on a new account to full forward it. I mean, hey man, like I used to be all against full porting, and I still am, but it's all dependent on what your intention actually is. If your intention is to gamble, then have fun. That's like going to Vegas. You're going to Vegas, except you're doing it in your bedroom. Okay, have fun. You're trying to gamble. But if your intention is that you don't want to gamble and you really do want to pass this account, then you're tripping. But if you're like, no, I want to gamble. All right, Leonard. Hey, I want to gamble. I want to gamble. I just want to take a little stab at something and see what cooks. I want to aim for like a 1 to 20, see what hits, and be my guest. Do that. Have fun. That's the difference between somebody who knows what they intend to do versus somebody who's hoping. I'm feeling lucky. $1,500 risk. Hey, let's do it. Let's do it. What the fuck? Okay, let's see if we get a good enough retracement. It really doesn't make sense to short this. Like, we could give a retracement, but I don't think we're shorting on NQ. Like, look at this bullish structure. We swept liquidity, high, low, higher, high, lower, low. It's like, are we really going to reverse here? I doubt it. Hey man, buy it. That's just the truth. And then MGC. Okay, so I know what I want from each pair. There's nothing left for me to do. I know exactly what I want to see. Oh man. We're at 30 viewers. If we get to 75, I'm giving away a funded account. Don't short this, y'all. Even if it might work. Have y'all noticed any single time I tell y'all something in trading, I always add, even though it might work, even though it might not work, we could lose, we could whatever, because at the end of the day, it's true. We don't actually know what the market's going to do. So my analysis is telling me, hey, if you short this, you're going to get cooked. But at the end of the day, the markets could still work. It could definitely work because you don't actually know for real. Excuse me. Yeah, I want NQ to go a lot lower. I want NQ to come lower, and I want gold to go a little higher just for them to go in the opposite direction. Dae, please, can you go through the 1 hour analysis again? On which pair? On gold, you get into the 1 hour time frame, draw your fib from this liquidity sweep down to the low. We are in 0.618 OTE zone. We should be shorting right now, but before we short, I want to see some type of liquidity sweep. Where would that liquidity sweep be? This high. So I'm estimating to get something like this, then short. Let's jump down to the 5-minute time frame. The high that we want to short from is Asia Sessions high. Ding, ding, ding. Boom. Session liquidity model strikes again. So now all we're simply waiting for is this. And Q, what are you gonna do, baby? Because a lot of people can say that this is AMD, even though I'm still not gonna take it. I just want to make sure I'm not actually missing a valid setup here. Why would we short right now? There's no reason to. Have we swept something higher? No. We've already swept liquidity on the 15-minute. What about the 30? The 30, we've already filled this gap. Not all the way though, but we filled it. I don't see a reason to short. I'm not shorting. I don't see a reason to short NQ at all. I don't see any reason to short NQ. I think this is manipulation. So gold should start going up for, shouldn't it? Yeah, I need gold to start going up and recover like that. Is gold seriously gonna like... There's no way. I'm looking at silver right now. Equal highs below completely. Gold, it's still just dumping instead of going for it. What the fuck is that on silver? Yeah. On silver, we have equal highs above. It's like, why are we dumping? Are we not gonna go get that? The only thing about ES, literally guys, the only thing, what would I have to see on MNQ for my bias to change to bearish? So a major shift in the hourly. Like my bias is built on the 1 hour. That means for my bias to change to bearish, this candle has to flip bearish and start closing lower. Like the bias is just bullish. Like a 5-minute time frame can't really change my bias. My bias can be bullish and I end up taking a short position. Yeah, that can happen. But for my bias to change to bearish, that literally means 1 hour time frame has to start like breaking structure and shit. Like 1 hour time frame has to, the 1 hour and the 4 hour is what determines my bias. So it's really hard for a bias to change because then I'm gonna be waiting for hourly candles and I'm really only trading for 2 hours out of the day. That means after 2 hourly candles form, I'm off the charts. And right now, on the hourly, we look bullish. That's what we look like. So why would I short? Just because NASDAQ is showing us a couple black candles? Nope. No, sir. If gold sweeps London lows, I'll long it. Like, I am bearish on gold, but if we come all the way down and sweep London lows, I'll long it. Only reason why is because on silver, we have equal highs above. And gold and silver are pretty much almost correlated. So if gold just comes down and sweeps London low first, I'll long it. But I ideally wanted to do this to then go to London lows. This would be a beautiful AMD. Oops. This would be a beautiful AMD accumulation, and then manipulation, and then distribution. Come on, gold. Whew. That's what I think is going to happen. I think gold is going to go back to retest yearly open this week before continuing sales. Yearly open? Yearly? Niggas, look at the yearly time frame? Bro, I thought we were day traders. Yearly open? I couldn't have read that right. Ain't the yearly open all the way down here? Nah, I didn't read that right. What did you say, brother? I probably misunderstood you, bro. Not gonna lie. Oh, you said gold. Yearly. Yearly open is right here. Yearly open is at 4,439.6. Bro. That's all the way up? Nah, gang. Is this the yearly open right here? 4,404. It's not. It's somewhere all the way up here, according to your weekly markup. Let's do some swing trading, guys. I've had a couple swing trades under my belt. I know a couple things or two, but we have equal lows on the weekly time frame. Yeah, to be fair, on the weekly, we have swept out weekly, some form of weekly lows, but on MGC, we put in equal lows. And on GC, we put in equal lows. It can really, I'm not gonna lie, it can really go both directions. This is the weekly time frame. This is why I just stay on the hourly, and the 4 hour. Like, if the hourly comes down here to sweep this first, I'm longing. Why? Because I want these, they look like data highs to me. If we go down to the 5 minute, boom, that's London low. So if we sweep London lows first, I'm gonna long it. If we don't sweep London lows and we take out London highs and Asia highs and we do a V-shaped recovery to the downside, I'm gonna short it. That's my bias on gold. As far as NQ, I need NQ to like do something. It's not doing anything. But as far as like the weekly time frame, it's going to weekly open, whatever. That's not the type of trader I am. I'm an intraday trader. I only care about what gold is going to do today. I only care about what NASDAQ is going to do today. And anything else it does is a pleasant surprise for me tomorrow. Okay. Let's see. I think gold is just going to come for these lows first. My chat is so predictable. It's very, very predictable. Look, we're at 30 viewers. The moment at around 8 o'clock, 8:15 hits, when we're about to, like, the market's about to open or we're about to take a trade, we'll jump to like 60. But y'all don't know that me yapping right now on camera, doing different analysis is what's going to actually help you learn. It's okay though. When I was learning how to trade, right? And I used to be joining different people's live streams all the time, watching. The moment they started looking to place a setup, I left. I left the live stream. Why? I don't know. It's just the testosterone / masculine energy in me. Why would I signal bot? Something's not right. I don't know, man. It just doesn't feel right to me to signal bot. I'm gonna just be completely honest with you. I don't like it. I don't like it. Like, I don't know, maybe I have an ego involved. I can do what they do. I don't need to. Yes, I am streaming this entire week. I can do what they do. I don't need to signal bot. You have psychological issues? What about next week? Yes, next week as well. And the week after that, and the week after that, and the week after that. I am a streamer now. I am a streamer now. This 1 hour is getting clipped. Let's see how gold reacts to this one though. Its reaction is everything. This looks like a perfect AMD. But we'll see. Let's look at silver. Silver didn't even sell off all the way. Because silver wants these equal highs. That's the only reason I'm going to long gold. Is because I know silver wants these equal highs for sure. That's why it's not selling off like that. And you could take the trade on silver, but silver is just so expensive. We love you, Daysky. I love you too, brother. I love you too. I appreciate all y'all support. Yeah. See, there we go. There you go. My boy, Dae, Black Mango. Is that a compliment? I'm a black mango. This 1 hour gap is inversing, guys. That looks freaking dangerous. Like in 1 minute, this 1 hour gap here would inverse. Let's see where we're at in this price action, man. We're also in the 0.618. We're all bouncing from that. It's getting ridiculous now. Okay, moment of truth. We need to see a strong reaction that will convince us that bias is valid. Because, like, let's be real, we are inversing a 1 hour gap. I'm starting to not like it. Like, we just inversed a 1 hour gap. I don't like it. Like, the bounce has to be so V-shaped that it's undeniable. I ain't gonna lie, gang, I took one too. Look at NASDAQ flying. Told you not to short it. You probably just got clipped. I told you, don't short that shit. Look at NASDAQ flying. Let's see if NASDAQ gives us a continuation setup to go higher. I'll take it. What about ES? ES just left equal highs with London session high. Which is my assets? I trade NASDAQ, ES, and gold. Mainly NASDAQ and gold. Before I was a gold warrior. I only traded gold. Now I trade NASDAQ and gold and ES. They're pretty much all the same, guys. If NASDAQ, guys, it's okay, so it's obvious right now NASDAQ is going for these highs above. We know that. If NASDAQ can give us some type of entry, it might give us an entry off of these highs here. NQ to all-time highs. I truly think so. Like, we are extremely bullish. It's like, can you please give us an entry, NASDAQ? What is it? It's 802. So 830 is around here. Let me just mark that out. All right, we're waiting and we're watching. I took the NASDAQ trade after I saw the IFVG. The short, I literally said, do not short this. Brothers is just trigger happy. They want to place a trade so quick. Oh, no long? On the 5 minute? So you're in this massive candle? I don't know, brother. It could still work, but like, long, you got the direction correct for sure. But a good IFVG would have been like here. This is a good IFVG. If it closed here, then you got in. Then to target those, that's a good trade. But the 5 minute hasn't closed. What about the 3 minute? The 3 minute closed all the way up here. I don't see how you would have caught this, man. I think you just anticipated a bit. It's good though. I think your trade will win. Expect a retracement from these highs, and then market open is in 25 minutes. So this is what I'm expecting from these highs. This is the high I want, this darker one. This darker one is the high I think NASDAQ will go to. This lighter one is the high I think NASDAQ will retrace off of. So I'm expecting to see my session liquidity model. This sweep during market open, inverse. This is what I now see on NQ. There's like no reason for NQ to short. I see none at all. Unless it's extremely manipulative and it wants to take out this low. And then if it does that, hold to all-time highs, because that's a crazy manipulation candle. Gold could straight up give us like a 15-minute setup. Well, let's see. If gold really doesn't want to long, it'll just blast through this low. $45 viewers. NASDAQ is retracing. I low-key think it's coming for you. No wick candle also. I think NASDAQ is coming for you. I think NASDAQ might be coming for you, gang. I hope you'll break even or something, man. I think NASDAQ is dead ass coming for you. 42 viewers, come on. I know we can do better than this. Y'all don't like making money? I made money for y'all all last week. Major SMT with silver and gold. Major SMT. It's such a FOMO trade. Patience pays, guys. Like, If you feel like you're about to miss a setup, more than likely it's a FOMO setup. I think this is coming down to sweep out these lows and then giving us a real move higher, which that's the one we will catch if that's the case. Well, let's see. The only thing saving you is London session highs. Will it bounce? Not good enough. Don't long this. Gold is bullshitting. Well, where is your Besh? Have you tried other prop firms? Yeah. I've traded TPT, I've traded tradeify, I've traded Alpha. A lot of y'all are new here, but I think I have a payout from most prop firms. Tradeify, Alpha, TPT. I've never traded Lucid. I will though. I will. Yeah. I just have never traded Lucid. I've traded with all of them. Believe it or not, my first ever payout was with Apex, but this was before Apex got new management. Yes. So criteria for when I avoid fair value gaps versus take some is number one, I don't like when we struggle a lot. Hello, can y'all hear me now? Should be. Hey, London session high might save you. I really doubt it though. Let's see what you do for market open gold. We got 15 minutes till market open. NQ tap into 5-minute IFEG and bounce. Yep. But your trade is right around market open. Like it's 8:10 right now. It's 8:14. So on NQ, we're definitely hands off till market opens. On gold as well. Gold, look at gold manipulating. Damn, I don't like this RR. Should be more. And we still haven't taken out these lows. We're not longing this. Oh my God, silver took out the objective already. Oh no. What are metals doing? I think the play might be gold didn't take the longs, brother. Gold didn't take the low, man. Like it never took the low. It never took the low. Why are we longing? I really think you're about to get cooked. It never took the low. These are equal lows. It's coming back for it. GC never took the low. Y'all need to learn how to be patient. My goodness. Like, I think gold is going lower, bro. Like, we never took the low. It's retesting the IFEG. Brother. Silver's putting in an SMT. I think you're about to get clipped. I think someone's about to get, like, clipped on longs. What are we about to do? More than likely, I really think gold is about to do this. Sweep, lower, and comes all the way down. It's gonna sweep out this high first. But gold isn't doing what I really want. NQ is though. What I want on NQ for market open. This structure looks amazing now. I want sweep, inverse. That's what I want to see on market open. I want these lows taken. Or if we don't take these lows, at least these lows. But there's no bottom wick on this 5-minute candle. I think we take it. We'll see though. Yeah, it's just eagerness. Eagerness to place a trade. I'm very, very skeptical before I place a trade. Like, I don't know. That's how you gotta be. This trade would have worked and it would have been beautiful if we swept the low, but we didn't. Once we sweep that low, then we can start talking about longs. Till then, nah. We got 10 more minutes to market open. How I see it is that you weren't supposed to be in the trade in the first place. Now that you are in the trade, you made an error. Instead of correcting your error, you're worried about whether your error could make you money or not. And that's not the signs of a good trader. To correct your error means to instantly get out of the position. That wasn't the trade you were supposed to be in. Regardless of if it's up, regardless of if it's down, regardless of whatever. You're a good trader who will instantly close that position. Oh shit, I thought it swept and it didn't sweep, close. Whether you're in a loss, profits, whatever it is, they close instantly. Not, okay, let it at least give me break even. Okay, what if it wins? These are the thought process of an unprofitable trader. I incorrectly entered into a trade. Cut the position. Simple. If you were up in profit, congratulations. If you were down in a loss, doesn't matter. Close it. It's not your trade. And if it wins, doesn't matter either. Look at that. You're about to come get cooked, man. You're getting cooked. Hope you cut it when I told you to. I gotta use the restroom, y'all. Give me a second. Um, you guys, just stay patient. One trade. We're waiting for that one snipe. We're waiting for that one snipe. Remember, I don't care if this high gets taken. This is the high that I want to target. This one all the way up here. So if market opens and it spikes through this high and then reverses, I'm not looking to short still. Okay? Understand that. This is why you have to have your analysis and your bias and different things to expect before you hop on the charts. Because once the market opens and then you see that, now you're taking a short position. It's like because you weren't prepared for that. Like, no, I want to see some longs and I like all these lows being built up. I love this so much. I love this a lot. Now I want to see some type of low swept to do my continuation model to continue higher on NQ. Looks great. Looks good. Yeah, because Eric, we're starting to see the same thing. That's a good thing. We're starting to see the same thing. I do expect some type of reaction from this high though. Don't get it fucked up. Because this is a high that's leading into a 1 hour gap. But I just expect the reaction to come down to sweep out some lows to then continue going higher. Like, we've already filled the new week opening gap. Now we're creating bullish. We're longing. We're bullish. We are bullish. NQ is a lot easier to read right now than gold. I'll be completely honest. Gold is like, what? I don't like this at all. And if gold was to sweep out these lows and then inverse, we have to go break even here. And then it could easily hit us at break even. Gold is, Yeah, that gold trade. Yeah, man. When you were up in profit, I hope that's when you got out instead of holding. Like you just wanted to make the money. That's not good. Like, get out. The trade is wrong. Oh, liquidity sweep inverse. Let me get in. Oh shit, there's no liquidity sweep exit. That's how you do it. You don't now hope and pray your trade wins. It's like, that doesn't make any sense. What time is it? It's 8:26, 4 minutes till market opens. If market opens and dumps instead without even going higher, even better. Like, even fucking better. Come on, NQ. What you got for me? There's no bottom wick on NQ. Ooh. There's no bottom wick on NQ. Yeah, you get it next time. But by the way, Jabba Tomies, little things like that is what will make you profitable versus unprofitable. It's just relentless discipline. That's all it is. Oh, this is wrong. Exit. Was there a sweep? No sweep. Wait. Do you see? Look at how many times I've, like, what? I didn't take these NASDAQ longs. The person in this NASDAQ longs right now is maybe at break even. They are about to get stopped out. Did gold finally sweep? It still hasn't swept, guys. Gold is bullshitting. NASDAQ looks so much cleaner to me. We are getting this London session high top from ES. Well, come on, we're just bullish, bro. There's no way. There's like no way. Let's wait for market open. Freaking finally got the swoop on gold. Now it looks risky. Like what? We got the sweep after a massive inversion on silver. Gold is just being mad confusing. Like, look at this. I think it'll just keep dumping. Our best bet right now is NASDAQ. Let's see if NASDAQ does what we want. We got 58 seconds. Yes, you can. Only if it prints the continuation model for real, though. That means it has to do this. Because you need it to sweep something. But it left equal highs above. I think you take that. Okay, market open. 8:30. Come on, baby. You know you want to stop these people out. Don't do that. Come take them. God damn it, NASDAQ. That's why I hate market open so much. Well, gold looks heavily bearish, bro. I'll be real, guys. Yeah, NASDAQ flew. Well, we're staying patient and we're waiting. It has to manipulate again. Okay, everybody who FOMO'd into longs, can we go stop them out? Can we go stop the long FOMOers, please? Gold finally swept. If gold longs, guys, if it longs, don't expect anything crazy, but we have no top wick here. Like, your target should be this 1 hour gap, I'll be real. If gold longs, that's where I'll target. But I really want NASDAQ longs. Like, I really want NASDAQ longs. I wanted to come back down, sweep out these guys. So this is the 9:30 manipulation. Sweep out these guys and continue going higher. Random question. Did you see the clip the other day of Trump pretty much confirming the manipulation in the markets? I don't need to see it. I know there's manipulation in the markets because these guys are about to get stopped out right now. Boom. Stopped. Boom. Stopped out. Are we going to continue just dumping? Remember what I said, guys. If we come for these lows, hold to all-time highs. We're so bullish. If we come for these lows, hold to all-time highs. If gold comes all the way, if NQ comes all the way down here to go higher, hold to all-time highs. I'm obviously trolling, but that just means I think the position will be much bigger. Yeah, let gold go. Gold is shorting. Just let it go. Like, unless right now the next candle inverses this, let gold go. Patience, 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 patience. Okay. All right, guys. Gold don't look bad. We got two potential. We got one setup on gold. It's going to be for gold, it has to be a short scalp. Like, you can't expect much from it. This is like it's a 1-to-1. That's if you get it. For me on this gold trade, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it inverse and then I'm going to let it retest first before I get in. So we have 4 minutes, so I'm not going to look at this till 4 minutes later. Is there anything on the 3-minute? Yeah, there's this 3-minute gap here. Remember, there's a no wick candle here, so I think gold will at least go to these highs up here. Whether it leaves without us, that's not up to us. Oh my God, NQ. I'm about to long this. No, come on, relax. I need to long this before it reaches here. Jesus Christ. Why is this market just leaving without us? Bro, oh my goodness, bro. No, no NQ. My God. Yeah, that's clipped. Okay, what about gold? I think gold is going to temporarily give us a bullish trade. But it has to close. The 3-minute closed. Waiting on the 5-minute. Let's see if it fills us. Yeah, I kind of wanted to wait for this retest. I don't know if it'll fill us or not though. Okay, let's see if this is an instant stop loss or if we can get some type of play upward. NQ just looked so volatile for me. Like, look at this whipsaw. I don't know what it's doing. I have no idea what it's doing. Let's see gold though. Let's see if gold can give us something. All right, let's see if gold can give us something. Whew. Once gold takes out this top wick, I'm going break even. Once gold puts in this top wick here, I'm going break even. But I won't sell any contracts. Till then, I'm still willing to lose on this trade. I know we're in a 5-minute FVG. Let's see. It's not looking too good though. I don't like these rejections. Come on, gold. You gotta show us who the fuck you is. We're still waiting. Don't be too quick to break even. We're still willing to accept this loss if it loses. Don't be too quick to break even. No, I doubt they have any phone-friendly apps. I don't plan on breaking even till we put in this top wick. Don't be too quick to break even. Not yet. No break even yet. We're almost there though. Not yet. Don't be scared. We are still okay with losing. Even though we're in profit, you're still okay with this. Like if it turns around right now and hits stop loss, you're still okay with that. Boom, we put in the top wick. Now we can protect our trade. Now we can protect our trade. Now I'm not okay with losing anymore. Boom. Some of my TP hit, not all of it? What the hell just happened? Some of my TP hit, but not all of it. Oh my God. What do I do here, guys? What do I do? What the fuck? What do I do, bro? Are we serious right now? Oh my God. Some of my TP hit, but not all of it. What do I do? Come on, gold. What you gonna do? I think I'm gonna just sell it. There we go. Boom. Bang. Guys, what type of winning streak are we on? Have we passed the Apex account? Boom. Guys, look at that. We passed the Apex account. W's in the chat. W's. I just showed y'all on stream how to pass these accounts. We just passed the Apex accounts. W's, 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 W's. W's, W's. I need them. I need it. W's. Come on, come on. We just passed the Apex accounts live on stream. There we go. There we go. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Spam it. Trade was beautiful. Textbook setup. Textbook setup. Beautiful trade. That's how you do it. That's how you trade, ladies and gentlemen. Who took that setup with me? Oh my goodness, my stuff was lagging. W's, 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 W's. Yes, sir. Who took that long setup on gold? 6 to 7 win streak for you again, showing us how it's done. Exactly. Nobody does it better than Dae Trades. Oh my goodness, I'm sick to the stomach. I should have held a runner. I'm sick to my stomach. I should have held a runner, but that's all we needed. That's all we needed. W's, 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 W's. Let's go. 6-7 day win streak. We won Monday. I'm on a 5-day win streak. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Didn't trade Friday. Won today, Monday. So I'm on a 5-day winning streak. You're holding until highs. Yeah, I only needed, I held till I passed the account. If I was on the funded, I would have left some runners. I passed the account. Now, starting tomorrow, I'm going to be trading on an actual funded account for y'all. I used to trade on a live account, but when I started streaming, I said, let me show y'all how to pass these Apex accounts and get a payout. So we're going to get a payout. Once we get a payout, you're going to see me take the money from the payout, purchase more accounts. I'm going to show y'all step by step how to scale in trading. I'm going to do it for you. I've already done this process before, but I'm going to do it for you. So make sure y'all use code DAY at checkout. man. Use code DAE at checkout. Buy these accounts so you can pass them with me. You can get payouts with me. Just like that, I'll be seeing your boys tomorrow. And peace out, man. Peace.